Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. As you know, this pandemic is very affected and you have your exams on 2 July. It may be cancelled, but the result is still postponed till 25th. Let's see what will happen. I want your reviews, give your reviews that what you want, it should be cancelled or not, or which option you have opted. So, still taking into measure, I have been posting today, I am posting a 2016 paper of CA with answers. Let's hope the paper should not, but still if paper would be, then it would be very helpful for you all. So let's start. So this is your 2016 paper ICSE examination of commercial application. As you know, the paper consists of 100 marks. So see the first question. Marketing and selling. There is a difference between marketing and selling. You can write any of the point, but it is here I have provided you the answer with one of the point I have picked up. I have written 2 points. Second is renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources is one which naturally replaces itself at the rate near or equal to the rate at which you are using, and non-renewable resources which cannot be replaced, like energy. And third question is apprenticeship training and internship training, direct cost, indirect cost, cash credit and overdraft. This is answers of all. If you want any of the screenshot or any of the pic, comment me in the comment section and subscribe more and more. I want you to be like more, so I would be able to post more and more videos related to the years or related to the studies or any of the topics that you provide to me. Now this is the question second. As you know, it contains 2 marks each. See what are the convinced product. Give 2 examples. If you want any of the screenshot, I will be providing to you all with answer this. I hope the paper must not be conducted, but still if it will be conducted, it would be very helpful for you. See, mention in environment chapter 4 causes of greenhouse effect, and in banking account pay of crossing of the check. Recurring deposit account is still very important in 2020 year, and it's very important. What are the convinced products? See, these are the answers. Recurring deposit amount is a fixed amount, is deposited every month. The deposit earns interest at the prescribed rate. The principal amount along with interest is to be paid by the depositor holder on maturity. Now let's see the question number 3. It contains also 2 marks each. It's same as the question 2. See, here came the 2 good qualities of the good salesman. You can prescribe by your own, but I hope, according to my opinion, you would be provided with the book written. It should be exact objective view, because the problem is that if you make by your own, the keywords which the board people select is not same, and who is correcting is not only we are not sure that he or she is a teacher of commercial application. So I am suggesting you to provide the only objective which is written on your book. Take one, pick up one objective and just write. See, these are the answer. Again, I am repeating, if you want any of the answer, I will be posting you the screenshot. You just comment me in the comment box and subscribe more and more so to provide more. See, these are the answer of earlier ones. Now question number